Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with the hustle and bustle of daily life, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily was known for her kindness and gentle spirit, but beneath her serene exterior lay a heart burdened by unrequited love. For years, Lily had harbored feelings for her childhood friend, Ethan. Ethan was charming and handsome, with a smile that could light up even the darkest of days. But despite their close bond, he remained oblivious to Lily's affections, his heart belonging to another. That other was Isabella, a captivating beauty who had captured Ethan's heart from the moment they met. Isabella was everything Lily was not: confident, outgoing, and effortlessly alluring. And though Lily tried to hide her feelings, she couldn't help but feel a pang of jealousy whenever she saw them together. As the years went by, Lily watched from the sidelines as Ethan and Isabella's relationship blossomed into something beautiful. She smiled through her pain, burying her emotions deep within her heart where no one could see them. But the ache remained, a constant reminder of the love she could never have. One fateful day, tragedy struck the city when a deadly poison began to spread, claiming the lives of innocent victims with each passing hour. Panic gripped the streets as people scrambled to find a cure, but hope seemed to slip further and further away with each passing day. Amidst the chaos, Lily's heart ached for Ethan and Isabella, knowing that they were among the many who were suffering. Desperate to help them, she vowed to find a cure no matter the cost, even if it meant risking her own life in the process. With determination in her heart, Lily set out on a perilous journey to find the antidote, braving treacherous terrain and facing unimaginable dangers along the way. But with each step she took, her love for Ethan and Isabella only grew stronger, driving her forward even when all hope seemed lost. Finally, after days But as Ethan and Isabella embraced each other in gratitude, Lily felt a pang of sadness wash over her. For in that moment, she knew that her love for Ethan would always remain unrequited, a bittersweet reminder of the sacrifices she had made for the ones she held dear. And though her heart may have been poisoned by love, Lily knew that it was a poison worth bearing if it meant protecting those she cherished most in the world. For in the end, true love was not always about being loved in return, but about the selfless act of putting others before oneself, even if it meant sacrificing one's own happiness in the process.